What is up, guys? It's your boy Cosplay Master back with another exciting episode. Today I show you I made the self mask from Spider-Man Spider-Man Far From Home Stealth Suit. This was actually a pretty fun mask to make, so I decided to make it. It was quite fun. So I'm making a new version and my better version. I'm making a new better version of it. That's just my old one. A new better version with latex eyes. And this one will be done for my second part 2 video. This was my original one. I made it a few months ago, but I never got a chance to post this. So yeah. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, a spider does, a spider can. So yeah. This is my stealth, my stealth mask I made from Spider-Man. Honestly, it's really hard to breathe in this thing, so I'm just gonna try. So yeah, I'm working on some other Spider-Man stuff, like, as you can see, I'm still working on the other type of Spider-Man.